Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into 3D printing and explore the best 3D printers under $1,500. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and offer outstanding performance and reliability. This 3D printer is especially for users that can't afford to buy expensive models but still want to create unique prints. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $1,500. To help you out, we have put together a comprehensive list of 3D printers that you can buy for under $1,500. The output of each 3D printer is highly detailed and accurate, allowing for stunning designs. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASH-FORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer. Are you searching for a mind-blowing 3D printing experience without breaking the bank? The FLASH-FORGE Guider IIS 3D printer has an excellent choice for 3D printing under $1,500. With its extraordinary features and unbeatable price under $1,500, this printer is the top choice for all tech enthusiasts and creative minds. Enable your imagination with the Guider IIS's large build volume, measuring a jaw-dropping 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches. It's like having a vast playground for your wildest ideas to come to life. And let's not forget about the auto-leveling feature that makes leveling as effortless as a breeze. No more manual tinkering or frustration, just pure printing pleasure. This bad boy can handle various filaments, from classic PLA to exotic electrically conductive materials and carbon fiber composites. Safety and convenience are at the forefront with the HEPA 13 air filter, ensuring a clean and cozy working environment. The built-in HD camera lets you monitor your print progress in real time. It's like having a front row seat to the birth of your masterpiece. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Anycubic Photon M3 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate 3D printing powerhouse under $1,500, the Anycubic Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. With its generous build volume of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, 30.0 by 29.8 by 16.4 centimeters, this printer is a dream come true for those who crave to bring their larger-than-life ideas to life. The cutting-edge 7K, 6480 by 3600 pixels, monochrome LCD screen, coupled with the high-precision ball-screw Z-axis rail, ensures jaw-dropping levels of detail in every print. Prepare to be mesmerized as your creations become perfect, showcasing intricate details like never before. Are you worried about running out of resin mid-print? Fear not! The automatic feeding function saves the day by refilling the resin vat when running low and stopping when it's sufficiently filled. No more waiting by the printer anxiously. Now you can rest easy and let your imagination run wild. And did we mention the fully compatible slicing software, Anycubic Photon Workshop? It's the icing on the cake, offering a user-friendly interface for precise control over your printing parameters while saving you a bundle on third-party software. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is 2 Spools of 3D PrintLife 3D Printer. The 2 Spools of 3D Printer is an optimistic and versatile addition to the incredible Robo E3 3D printer, which is undeniably the best choice for tech enthusiasts on a budget under $1,500. This cutting-edge machine is a game-changer packed with innovation and boundless possibilities. Equipped with a fully enclosed design and a HEPA filter, the Robo E3 ensures a clean and safe printing environment. Its auto-calibrating removable print bed guarantees hassle-free setup, while the quick removable nozzle allows for effortless maintenance. But that's not all. The bundle includes 2 spools of 3D PrintLife filament featuring their renowned Impact Modified Pro PLA. This professional-grade filament takes your creations to new heights with increased strength, enhanced impact resistance, and exceptional layer adhesion. Prepare to bring your wildest ideas to life. To make the experience even more extraordinary, you'll receive 2 hours of online training and a starter plan for My STEM kits, enabling you to integrate 3D printing seamlessly into K-12 STEM lessons. A 2-year warranty and spare parts pack guarantee your peace of mind. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is the original Prusa MK3S Plus 3D printer. Have you searched high and low for the ultimate 3D printer that won't break the bank? Introducing the extraordinary original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus, the crown jewel of 3D printers under $1,500. Prepare to be blown away by its exceptional features and remarkable performance. Let's talk about its cutting-edge capabilities. The MK3S Plus handles bed leveling with its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process. Say goodbye to frustrating adjustments and hello to effortless precision. The built-in IR filament sensor ensures seamless printing by detecting when filament runs out and automatically pausing the print. Crafted with top-notch components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an EINSY Rambo motherboard, this 3D printing workhorse guarantees exceptional reliability and outstanding print quality. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer is one of the ultimate powerhouses in 3D printing. This incredible machine combines cutting-edge technology with affordability, making it the best 3D printer for under $1,500. Prepare to be amazed as the M5 takes your printing experience to a new level. With its Power Boost 2.0, this beast achieves mind-blowing speeds, doubling your printing velocity without compromising quality. And the precision? Oh, it's a marvel! Thanks to the ultra-direct extruder and the sleek die-cast aluminum alloy structure, the M5 delivers impeccable 0.1 mm detail, capturing every intricate design with finesse. But wait, there's more! The M5 comes equipped with an advanced error detection system. No more wasted time or filament due to mishaps. Its intelligent camera and powerful processing capabilities ensure your prints stick to the plan flawlessly. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure and clever Z-axis design make printing smoother. The increased weight and improved center of gravity guarantee stability during turbo acceleration while reducing installation errors and enhancing printer accuracy. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for under $1,500. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.